remove all that, repeal all that, and they don't get it that you can't do that without repealing everything. All the other changes and rights, and there's countless, I can't even say what they are because there's so many of them. There's rights that women have gained, and disabled people, and men. Well, men seem to be getting the worst of it. They seem to be oppressed the most. But you'd have to sort of go back. So all they want to do is oppress to end rights for for a tiny minority. I mean, how fucking ridiculous are they? That they look at that. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming on. So get in here. So that's me rabbiting on about that again, but yeah. But it's relevant. It is relevant, yeah. Very relevant. It's very relevant, you know. Right, thanks for watching. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.